Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin on the old phone. Make sure you're signed into the exact Viber account and phone number because backups tie to that identity. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi and AC power to avoid interruptions, then open Viber and follow more right arrow settings, right arrow account, right arrow Viber backup. Tap Backup Now. This saves messages and media to your cloud account. You're starting the process immediately to prevent new messages from creating gaps between devices. On the new phone, install Viber and verify the same phone number as on the old device. Verification links the backup to your identity. When Viber detects a backup in the cloud, it will prompt Restore, select it, and allow time for the download, because large media can take longer. Make sure the new device has sufficient storage and remains on the same Wi-Fi so the restore completes without corruption. Once the restore finishes, Viber will rebuild your chat list and reattach media where possible. After restore, inspect your chats and a few recent messages to confirm completeness. If something's missing, close and reopen Viber first to force a refresh. If the restore failed or shows no backup, make sure the cloud account used for backup is the same, that you verified the correct phone number, and that there's enough storage. As a troubleshooting tip, retry creating a fresh backup on the old phone and then repeat the restore. If issues persist, contact Viber support for account-level checks.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.